Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where I cover missing persons, unsolved cases, crime news, and more. Just when you thought we haven't heard from Sarah Boone, aka Zippy, that's going to be my new nickname for her, she made a brief appearance in court with her new attorney, Winston Hobson, today. So let's check out that clip from Court TV.
Move Ms. Boone to the center seat and swear her in.
Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Welcome back, ma'am. Tell me your name and your date of birth.
Sarah Boone, 10-10-77.
All right. In this case, you were most recently represented by Mr. Bankowitz. I granted a motion to withdraw. We appointed Mr. Hobson, and we set a status hearing today. Mr. Hobson, where do you stand as far as entering the case, and how much work do you think you have to get done to get the case ready for trial?
Well, let me start. I'll start at the back end, Judge. I would ask the court to set a status for sometime in January. I've had discussions with Ms. Booth before today, and she's okay with that, and I think that would make sense. I've got like a banker's box and a half of stuff I'm trying to wade through, plus the media stuff. So I think that would be the best option we've got right now, as far as I'm concerned.
So I don't have my dates, other than my pretrial and trial dates for next year. I don't have the calendar ironed out.
Okay.
But what I could do is just give y'all a January pretrial date, understanding that you're not representing that you're actually going to be ready to announce trial. But at least it's a next point to see how far you've gone, how much further you have to go. My hope would be in January, you'd be able to give the court a realistic estimate of when you would be ready to announce trial.
Yes, sir.
State, are you okay if we handle it that way?
Yes, that sounds reasonable.
I have a January 16th pretrial date. Is that far enough into January, Mr. Hobson?
Yes, sir.
All right. Here's what we'll do. We will set pretrial conference on January 16th, trial period January 29th. The one thing I'm going to ask Mr. Hobson is if there are particular problems with the discovery, getting up to speed, that you know about before the 16th, if you could bring those to the court's attention beforehand,
Yes.
so we can at least start working those problems as they arrive, that would be my request.
Judge.
All right.
I would also ask the court as a caveat to indicate that it's a pretrial conference / status conference.
Sure. Have the court minutes reflect that I'm setting it for pretrial conference / status for the defense to advise the court how long before they are prepared for trial.
Retreating this is the defense motion to continue.
I think speedy trial was waived long ago.
4 years on, Judge.
Okay. So I'm just going to court reset it for those dates.
Yes, sir.
Anything else I need to do on Ms. Boone's case today?
Nothing else, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Boone will be returned to the Orange County Jail pending disposition of her case.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
That's all I have. Have a good
Okay.
day.
Have a good day.
All right.
Ms. Vega, are you ready on Hope? All
All
right, let's call up Hope.
Yeah.
Okay, so she looks pleased with her new public defender, Winston Hobson. Hopefully, her 7th attorney, this is number 7, will make Zippy a lot happier. But I guess we shall see. I'm curious how she's dealing with stuff. Sounds like, again, that she seems happy with him. And maybe we'll finally get a trial next year. Looks like the 24th, from what Court TV and what they were stating in the small hearing today. So it looks like he's been speaking to her. He said he had a banker's box and a half of discovery to go through. So again, it's actually January 16th for the pretrial conference. And at that point, Hobson is hoping that he'll have a better idea if and when he's prepared to start for jury selection and the actual trial. So this should be interesting to see where things are going from here. We all know how she's been with all these attorneys before him, and she definitely really disliked Bankowitz. So yeah, again, maybe this trial will finally happen in 2024. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think Mr. Hobson will finally be the attorney that makes Zippy happy? Or do you think she's going to have issues with him as well? Let me know in the comments what you think. And with that said, that's all I've got for this one. I hope you have a great rest of the day. And most of all, stay safe.